let's drop it in. Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome on my channel PressTube. Now, it's quite cold here in Belgium. I think it's -5 or -6 degrees Celsius. So I have this nice little fire with me over here. Yeah, I hooked it up to my the regulator of my melting furnace, so I can give it quite some power, as you can see. But it's not made for that, so I always put it like this, and that's warm enough in my workshop. Now, I think some people will say -5 or -6 degrees, that's not so very cold. Yeah, I think people from Alaska are used to much colder temperatures, and I wonder how cold it is at your place right now when you watch this video. So let me know in the comments below, what is the temperature at your location at this moment. I'm very curious who lives the coldest. Now, for this video, I'm gonna put this large ball of slime with roughly 150 squishes in my shredder over here. I didn't make this myself. You probably saw a video from this slime a couple of weeks ago when I put it in my vacuum chamber, and now I'm gonna put it in my shredder. It's a collaboration with the Belgian YouTube channel JustJade. She made this slime. The video has over, I think, 1.5 million views now. I'll provide some links in the description below. And yeah, if you want to know how she made this, just check the videos that I will put in the description below. She's from Belgium. I'm also from Belgium. A lot of people don't know that, so I'm gonna say something in Flemish now, which is my how do I say this? My home language, my native language. So yeah, ik kan dus ook Nederlands praten, mensen. Ik woon in Antwerpen, het noorden van de provincie Antwerpen. De reden waarom ik altijd Engels in mijn video's praat, is omdat 90% van mijn abonnees ofwel in de Verenigde Staten woont, of ja, gewoon Engelstalig is. Dus ik praat altijd Engels, of ik doe toch mijn best om Engels te praten in mijn video's. So people, that was a little bit of Flemish. I told the people from Belgium and from Holland that I live in Belgium and that I always talk English in my videos because 90% of my subscribers is based in the United States or speaks the English language. I'm trying my best to speak some English or talk English, but you can hear that it's not perfect, but I hope you can understand me, guys. Now, let's go to the video. Shredding slime with 150 squishies, and I hope it makes some nice sounds. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, guys. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's put on the shredder like this, and then drop in the slime. Are you ready, guys? Let's drop it in. Now, let's reverse it and see what happens. I don't think a lot will happen. And now let's put it forward again. Okay, now let's see the result, how this slime looks like. This is the result, guys. Now, I think it's slime with roughly 1,500 squishies. Let's see what happens if we put them in again. Will it be 15,000? Let's find out. Okay, here we go. let's see the result again. I don't think there is a lot of difference, but I will show you anyway. Now this is the result, and it's, yeah, it's still quite slimy, as you can see. Maybe you can bounce it around, let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit bouncy now. Yeah, I made some slime now with, yeah, 1500 squishies. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye!